We'll start off with the AirPods Pro. Go ahead and open them up. So for size comparison, got the original AirPods versus the AirPods Pro. The profile is about the same. And you can see it's about a 1/4 inch longer when held sideways. Not that big of a difference. Should be awesome for carrying around in your pocket still. Small enough. Let's open them up, see what's inside. Nice fresh pair of headphones. We'll go ahead and take them out of the charging case. It's your right earbud, left earbud, and they are shaped a lot different. There's your quick side-by-side comparison of the two. Stems are a lot shorter on the newer ones, a lot longer on the older ones, and the shape is different. Next, I'm going to put in the old AirPods. And then we'll do a quick shake test, see how well they stay in. And they're both out already. This is my issue with them, and they always have been. I kind of just use these at night when I want to watch a video or two in bed and not disturb anybody. Next, we'll check out the new ones. All right, we'll put the new ones in. They are very secure. And I'm going to do that quick head shake test. They're not moving. They still feel good. And I can tell you that I already like them better than the old AirPods. The fit feels really good. There's no ear fatigue, which I used to get all the time with these, trying to travel with them. Next, we'll do a quick sound test. Go ahead and play some music now. Wow. I like what I hear. Already deeper bass, richer mids, highs sound good. Wow. Comfortable. I like what I hear. These definitely sound better than the old generation AirPods. I'll go ahead and activate transparency mode real quick. And besides the little bit of pressure I feel in my ear, I can hear everything around me, what's going on. And then I'll change it over to noise canceling. Just a short press. Then you get a beep tone. Totally takes the hum out of everything. I don't hear anything. It's fairly quiet where I'm at right now. But I don't hear the air conditioner running or anything. We'll do a more in-depth test when I'm traveling on the plane or on the train. But noise canceling definitely does something. In conclusion, comparing Gen 1 versus the iPads Pro, I'm sorry, but there is no contest. The AirPods Pro beat this out in every level. If you are the type of person that couldn't wear AirPods because of ear fatigue or pains in your ear, which I got a lot with these plastic ones, this solves your problem. Trust me. I am one of the 10% of people that Apple says these do not work for. The AirPods Pro solve that problem, along with being small enough to fit in your pocket to just grab and go. You cannot go wrong with this set of headphones.